Hello everyone, this is Mehdi and you are welcome to a new tutorial. In today's tutorial, I will show you how to create a buy one get one free offer in WooCommerce step by step. This is a very powerful strategy to increase your sales, attract more customers and boost conversion in your online store. But before you jump into the main tutorial, if you visit my YouTube channel WP Hindi, then you will find lots of helpful WordPress tutorials like how to create classified listing website, e-commerce website, elemental guide and basic WordPress as well. So if you want to learn WordPress step by step, make sure to subscribe to the YouTube channel and hit the bell icon. Make sure you watch till the end because I will show you how to test the offer properly to avoid any mistake. Alright, let's begin. Now I can close this tab and go to the admin dashboard. That's why very fast we have to install a free plugin. So hover over on plugins and click over here add plugin. That's great. Now just search here smart coupons. Alright, this is the plugin which we are going to use in this tutorial, smart coupons for WooCommerce coupons. Don't worry, I have given the plugin link in this video description, so you can check it from here. Now click over here install now, then activate. After install and activating the plugin, you can see a new option is added in left side menu, whose name is smart coupons. If you hover over on it, then it shows multiple options. Just you have to navigate to the BOGO settings or option. So click over here BOGO, and this is the buy one get one offer settings page, and you can see it shows multiple options. In this tutorial I want to show you how to set buy one get one offer. So you have to click over here buy X get X at rate 50%. So click over here, then the offer name, just you have to give here your offer name. I want to give like buy one then get one. Offer name is buy one get one for free. Now I can remove this text. Then you have to give the description. I want to give the offer name and description as same. So just copy and paste here, then the continue. Click over here continue. After clicking the continue button, it will be redirect to this page and you have to configure from here as well. And very fast step 1, you can see custom gets a specific product. If you click this down arrow, it will show multiple options, but I am using the free plugin, so must be I have to use this option. If you want to use other option, then you need pro version. Okay, so I want to use only free version, so a specific product is perfect. Now you have to give the product name here, so I can copy and paste the product name from my website. So go to the shop page and like just scroll down. This is the shop page. Click here everything. This is the shop page. Scroll down and I want to give this product as a free. Okay, just take it. This is the product name and I want to give it for free. So copy this product name and go to the settings page, just paste here. If you want, then you can type the product name here. Okay, that's great. Then in quantity of one, definitely, that's why I want to give buy one get one free. Then discount type free. Okay, check this radio button. Then the scroll down, step 2 trigger, click over here and buys quantities. Okay, minimum quantity on, it's perfect. Then the customer buys who is want to buy, like click here. Then this is the product name who is want to buy, like if any customer will buy this product, then he will get it for free. Okay, So again go to the shop page, and I want to sell this product. So open this product, and this is the product name or title. Copy it and go to the settings page, and just click here again, give the product name. Okay, that's mean this is the product who is have to purchase, then this product will get free. Okay, so click again here, you can see this is the specific product only, this is the product. Then again step 3, apply offer. Click here, and if you want, then you can select once or repeatedly. I want to give on it once. Then from the right side bottom, save and activate. Just you have to click over here, and you can see this is the offer name, it's okay, description. Then the activate offer, if you want, then you can give here like through coupon code. Actually I want to give it automatically, so if anyone purchase this product, then this coupon will be activate automatically. Okay, so I want to check this option automatically. Then save and activate from the right side bottom. Click over here, then it will take some time. That's great, you can see your BOGO offer is live now. That's great. Now go to the shop page and refresh it. Now I can close this product tab, and I want to sell this product and want to give free this product. Okay, so I have to open this product. Click over here. Okay, now add to cart. This is the process to checkout. Click over here. That's great, you can see buy one get on for free applied. That's perfect. Now you have to give the necessary information here, like billing details. Already I have given it, and in right side you can see product. This is the product, and I have given it for free, and you can see discounted price $0. That's great. This is the payment method. Just click here, place order. Perfect, you can see thank you, your order has been received. And you can see this is the product, and this is the free one. Okay, now I can check it from the WooCommerce order. So again go to the admin dashboard, and if you hover over here WooCommerce, then you can see order. Just like refresh this page again, WooCommerce, then you can see this is the orders. Click here, scroll down, and perfect, you can see like 33 seconds ago created this order. That's mean I have created it. So click here, just scroll down and check it. Yes, you can see this is the product name, and this is on which I have given for free. And that's it. This is how you can easily create a buy one get on free offer in WooCommerce. If you find this video is helpful for you, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel for more WordPress and WooCommerce tutorials. Thanks for watching the video, and I will see you in the next video.